Well, I think you killed a lot more Germans than Americans were killed in World War II. That's an understatement. I think by a factor of at least 10 times, at least 10 times more, but more actually. And the same is true of Japan. Japan attacked you in a surprise attack in Pearl Harbor, and they killed, I don't know, a few thousand Americans. Take a look at what happened there and how it happened. You know how that war ended in ways that no one suggests should end here. I mean, it's the bombing of Nagasaki and Hiroshima. I mean, so that's a ridiculous way of looking at things. And by the way, we're not carpet bombing Gaza. If we wanted to, everybody's saying you want genocide. We can carpet bomb Gaza in one afternoon, and of course, that would be a horrific number of casualties, and we don't do that because that's not our policy. Our policy is aimed to eliminate Hamas, but using the tactics of war that effectively no Western army has used.